Okay. Good morning, all. Myself Dinesh, working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering from SNS College of Technology. And today we are going to see the solar heating of a building. Okay. So how the solar helps in heating the building. Okay. So heat from heat for comfort in building can be provided by solar energy by systems that are in concept enlarged version of the water heating systems. The heating of residences by the use of solar radiation is a very ancient concept. Okay, and it has been used since man first began to build habitation. So in this introduction we are going to see, we know that even from our heritage, we have been using heat in order to survive. So using those heat is a common one. So the first scientists work on solar heating began in 1940 at MIT, when a team of engineers under the director of Dr. Hotel with financial support from Godfrey begin to study the performance of solar collectors and fluid heating system, and then resulted a series of 4 experimental solar houses. Okay. The first definite paper on flat bed collectors for this service was published by Dr. Hotel and Woods in the year of 1942, and the other papers followed to lay a solid foundation of the analytical study of the type of the collector which is most widely used in solar heating and cooling of residences. Okay. Wheeler and Hotel in 1955 and Wheeler in 1967 have published the consecutive papers based on solar heating. Okay. Interest in solar heating in the United States and in other part of the world further developing during World War II, when oil shortage was faced. Okay, whenever the oil shortage was faced in World War II, mention should be made on pioneering work on colleagues and the solar laboratory and the solar houses built in the Japan by Yangimachi. More recent solar houses have been built in Australia, in England, and because of the series storage of rapid rising prices of petroleum products throughout the most of the industrial world, solar heating has become a matter of great interest in most of the developing countries and the world. Okay. Because of its low temperature requirement, solar heating of building will be the first significant application of solar energy. In fact, the technology is already well developed, and the cost of solar heating is competitively with less with the heat by some conventional methods. Okay, when it's comparing to some conventional method, it's competitively very less. Because of the low solar radiation reaching the earth. Okay, radiation reaching the earth, order of 300 to 600 watt per meter square, and intermittent nature, storage of solar energy is essential. Okay, this will result in the greater initial cost of installing solar heating and cooling unit. However, if properly designed and constructed, the solar heating and cooling may in long run turn out to be less expensive than using electricity. So this is the introduction about solar heating.